Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable push notifications in Odoo. This is a very quick setting to turn on, and it can be useful if you want Odoo to support push notifications on mobile devices. Push notifications can help users stay updated without constantly opening the Odoo application. For example, they can help employees receive alerts about messages, activities, updates, or important actions directly on their mobile devices. This can make communication faster and help teams stay connected while working remotely or away from their computers. If you're following along inside your own Odoo database, just make sure you have access to the settings area, since this option is managed there. Depending on your user permissions, you may need administrator access to view or change this setting. To begin, open Odoo and go to the Settings app. This is where you'll find the main configuration options for your database, including features related to communication, user experience, and mobile functionality. If you're on the main dashboard, simply click into Settings to get started. The Settings app is the central place where you can manage different system preferences, so many important Odoo features can be found here. Once you're inside the Settings app, go to General Settings. This section contains a wide range of system-wide options, so if the page looks long or detailed, that's completely normal. Take your time and scroll as needed until you reach the area related to mobile features. Odoo includes many different configuration options in general settings, so don't worry if you see settings that are unrelated to push notifications. The option you're looking for is specifically connected to mobile functionality. Under the Mobile section, look for the option for push notifications. When you find it, check the box to enable push notifications. This tells Odoo that you want this feature turned on for your system. It's a simple change, but it can be important if your users rely on mobile access and want to receive updates more efficiently. For businesses using Odoo every day, enabling this option can improve the way users interact with the platform. Instead of manually checking for new information, users can receive alerts when something requires their attention. After checking the box, make sure your change is saved if your Odoo version requires it. In many cases, configuration changes in settings need to be saved before they actually take effect, so it's always a good idea to confirm that the setting has been applied successfully. If you are managing an Odoo database for a team, it's also a good practice to inform users that push notifications have been enabled. They may need to allow notification permissions on their mobile devices before they start receiving alerts. And that's it. Push notifications are now enabled in Odoo. As a quick tip, after enabling the setting, you may want to test it from a mobile device or with a user account that uses the Odoo mobile app, just to confirm everything is working as expected. Testing the feature immediately helps you make sure the setting is working correctly. You can check whether notifications appear properly and confirm that users have the right access and mobile permissions. If you don't immediately see results, double-check that the setting is still enabled and that your mobile environment supports notifications properly. Also make sure the Odoo mobile app is updated and that notifications have not been disabled in your device settings. That's the full process. As you can see, enabling push notifications in Odoo only takes a moment once you know where to look. This small configuration change can make a big difference for teams that depend on quick updates and mobile access. Keeping users connected with real-time notifications can improve workflow and make daily tasks easier to manage.